Disaccharides. As name suggests, disaccharides. In disaccharides, two units of sugar are present: maltose, sucrose, and lactose. These are the examples of disaccharides. We discuss maltose in detail and then we discuss sucrose. Maltose is a disaccharide which is formed by two glucose units. It is formed by linking two glucose unit by glycosidic bond. As two molecules of glucose, C6H12O6 is one molecule and C6H12O6 is second molecules of glucose. Both combines and then form the maltose C12H22O11, in which when both molecules combine, one molecule of water is removed, and so in both two hydrogen is less and one oxygen is less. So the general formula of maltose is C12H22O11. How it formed? The two units of glucose we take. CH2OH. Here another CH2OH. OH, H, OH, H, H, H. OH, H. So there is two molecules of glucose which combine and form disaccharides maltose. And numbering is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The two molecules of glucose, both glucose molecules form alpha 1 4 glycosidic bond. How? Alpha 1 4 and 1 4, 1 carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. Both hydroxyls combine to each other and remove, has one water molecule removal, during the formation of glycosidic bond. This is alpha 1 4. Alpha 1 4. If the bond is in a lower direction, it is known as alpha, and if the bond is in upper sides, it is known as beta. Here the bond is formed in lower sides, those is known as alpha. Alpha 1 4 glycosidic bond. And this is the structure of maltose in which two glucose units form a disaccharides. Sucrose is made from it is made from glucose and fructose. Alpha 1,2 glycosidic bond is formed during the formation of disaccharides. Disaccharide sucrose. The structure of sucrose is as CS2OH, CS2OH, OH, OH. OH, H, H, OH, CS2OH, OH and H, OH and H. This is the structure of fructose and this is the structure of glucose. Both bind to each other and form one molecules of sucrose. Both hydroxyls bind and form a linkage of and both hydroxyl is removed from here and one molecules of water is released and this forms glycosidic bond between glucose number 1 carbon and in fructose 2 number carbon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This glycosidic bond formed between glucose carbon number 1 and fructose carbon number 2. And this is in lower side, so this is alpha 1,2 glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond. I can write here. This is non-reducing sugar because in glucose the functional group is present on 1 and in fructose the functional group is present on the 2 number carbon. On 1 aldehyde and 2 the ketone group is joined together and form glycosidic bond. So there is no glycosidic bond, there is no free in hydroxyl or ketone group. So both in absence of both group, it is not able to produce the reducing sugar test. So it is non-reducing sugar. Because the aldehyde and ketone groups are not free. Next molecules of disaccharide is lactose. It is formed between glucose and lactose molecules. And there is a 1,4 glycosidic bond formation. Lactose is a carbohydrate which is found in milk. Lactose is a reducing sugar. It is reducing sugar. In next video, we will discuss about the oligosaccharides and polysaccharides in details.